Hello, and thank you for your interest in the art of services, risk assessment, and compliance assessment services. And as you know by now, because you've clicked on the link in the email, we have given you access to our free Art of Service Lite workspace in Airtable. That means that the Airtable account is for you to use in your organization and to help you dynamically create a project plan for risk and compliance assessments. So let's have a look how that would work. So once you've signed up for your Airtable account, you see the Art of Service Lite workspace in here. But before you go in there, you need to create a new workspace, and that workspace, you can name it whatever you want. So I am naming this assessments, ease of use. Then I go into my Art of Service Lite workspace. I click on the drop down arrow here in the name and on the three dots, and I click on duplicate base, and I call this dynamic project plan creator, and I'm duplicating it to the assessment workplace. So it's creating the duplicate. The reason why you need to do that is because we've given you read access to the Art of Service Lite. Once you've duplicated it to your own workspace, you now have access or editing access to the full database. So that will help you with your project plan. So it's loading all the questions. So it has a few hundred questions in there that will help you with your risk and compliance assessments. And it also has columns for you to fill out. And I'll show you how it works once the database actually loads, because there's quite a lot of information in there. There's critical criteria for you to identify in your organization. There's questions to answer. So let's have a look. So these are the most important questions around vendors, cyber insurance. I mean, it goes all the way down. But for each of these questions, like in this case, does the vendor have security incident response policies and procedures to manage web security incidents as data breaches? So how important is that for you? If you say that's a 5-star, then just click the 5 stars, go 3 stars, 4 stars, whatever you feel is important. And it's really intuitive, really go with your gut feeling on what's important, and answer the question with, do I have a clearly defined answer to this? Do I have a clearly defined answer to this? How important is this that I have confidence in the answer to this question? And then here, you can even say, like, this is obviously your 5-star response. That needs to be done immediately. So by September 1st, we need to start working on this. And that needs to be finished no later than the 1st of November. So by putting a start and an end date, you can build and dynamically build your Gantt chart. Obviously, there's nothing in here now because I haven't really done a lot with it yet, but you can see how that would work in your organization. So have a play with this, and if you have any issues, contact us, reach out to us. Happy to have a chat, and hope you enjoy working with the Art of Service database. Good luck.